Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video session, I am going to solve week 8 assignment of advanced computer architecture. So let's check the first question. Question number 1. Select the correct option based on the following statements about an SRAM array. The options are: the bit lines carry complementary logic values. Statement 2. The process of charging or discharging is significantly slower in the case or writes as compared to reads. I think that is off. In the case of writes as compared to reads. Okay. So here options are: only S1 is true, only S2 is true, both S1 and S2 are true. So here only S1 is true. Okay, so I select S1. Okay, now get into the next question. Question number 2. A sense amplifier is made up of dash differential amplifiers. When pre-charging is done, sense amplifier are dash to amplify the output. Select the most appropriate option. The options are 3 optional, 4 optional, 4 essential, 3 essentials. So here a sense amplifier is made up of 3 different amplifiers. When pre-charging is done, sense amplifiers are essentials. Okay, essential to amplify the output. Okay, so this option will be the correct. So I select this option. Now question number 3. Select the correct option based on the following statements. Statement 1. A CAM means content addressable memory cell has an additional 10 transistors when compared to an SRAM cell. SRAM means static random access memory. Statement 2. A CAM array has all the features of an SRAM array. In CAM memory cell, if the contents match, then the match line becomes 0. So here only S1 and S2 are both are true. Okay, because in CAM memory cell, if the contents match, then the match line becomes 1. Okay, so here S3 false, S1 and S2 are true. So I select this option. Now moving into the next question, question number 4. Select the most appropriate option. Statement 1. A port is defined as an interface for accepting a read or write request. Statement 2. We can have a port for either a read or a write, but not for both read write. And statement 3. Associativity A, block size B, and connectivity C are the basic parameters of cache which can be used to compute the set index and size of the tag. Here only S1 is true. Okay, we can have a port for either a read or a write or both read write. Okay, and here also in statement 3, associativity A, block size B, this is fine, and connectivity, this is not a connectivity, this is actually cache size. okay, are the basic parameter of a cache, which can be used to compute the set index and size of the tag. So only S1 is the correct answer. Okay. Now get into the next question, question number 5. For multiple parallel accesses to the cache, a dash cache is better than a dash cache. A multi-banked cache is better than a multi-ported cache. Multi-ported cache. Subarrays of a bank cannot be accessed independently. Okay, so here this option will be the correct answer. Okay, so I select that option. Now moving into the next question, question number 6. Select the most appropriate answer. Statement 1. Different subarrays within a mat share their decoding logic. Statement 2. Each subbank contains a part of a data block. Statement 3. One bank can process only one memory request at any given point of time. Okay. So here statement 1 and statement 3 are the correct answer. Each subbank contains a part of a data block is not correct, because each subbank contains a entire data block. Okay, so this is not correct. So S1 and S3, only S1 and S3 are true. So I select this option. Now get into the next question, question number 7. Select the most appropriate option based on the following statements about pipeline cache. Statement 1. In pipeline caches, tag comparison and tag array access take place in parallel. Statement 2. We read all the data blocks in parallel and choose one of them later if there is a match. Here only statement 2 is true. Okay. So I select statement 2. Now get into the next question, question number 8. In a non-blocking cache, we dash the cache till a cache miss returns. A non-blocking cache significantly dash the request made to the lower level cache. Assume that it has an MSHR. MSHR means miss status holding register. Okay, so the appropriate answer would be, in a non-blocking cache we do not block, the cache till a cache miss returns. A non-blocking cache significantly increase the request made to the lower level cache, but in MSHR case it will be decreased. That means this will be the answer. Decreases. Okay, decreases the request. So appropriate answer would be this option. Now question number 9. What happens when we have secondary misses in the MSHR? The options are: if the miss is a write, an entry is created at the head of the miss QE. If the miss is read, an entry is always created at the tail of the miss QE. If the miss is read, an entry is created at the tail of the miss QE only if forwarding is not possible. Here, this will be the answer. Now moving into the next question, question number 10, which is the last question of this assignment. Assume the size of a page frame to be 4 KB. A 64 byte block size and 64 sets in a cache where we need 6 bits to specify the address of a byte within the block and 6 bits to uniquely index a set. Select the most appropriate option based on the statements below. Statement 1. The VIPT scheme makes use of the fact that the offset bits of the virtual address and physical address are the same and are unaffected by translation. VIPT means virtually indexed, physically tagged. Okay. The VIPT statement 2. The VIPT scheme allows the overlap of tag accesses with the process of address translation. Okay. In that case, the both statements are correct. That means both S1 and S2 are true. Okay. So I select this option. So friends, I have completed this assignment. Hope this is benefited to you. Please subscribe this channel, like, comment if any, and press the bell icon to get the notification of upcoming videos. Thank you. Jai Hind.